no, yeah, no, no, yeah, no,
Let me tell you how you never quiet your mind. You never quiet your mind by looking at how loud it is. When it comes to quieting the mind, if you want to quiet your mind, the best thing you could possibly do for yourself is to take your attention off of your mind. Take your attention from the observation of your mind and relocate it to the present moment. When you relocate that attention to the present moment, everything dissipates. Because the present moment is so large, because that's really all there is. It's just the now. The present moment is so large. When you place your attention back into the present moment, it's like a drip in the ocean, and it dissipates, and it's like, and you're one with everything again. But then when you return back to the past or the future and you're not in the moment, now you're along this new line of stream of consciousness that's moving forward in time, and you can't be right here, right now, clear-headed, focused. So take as many moments throughout the day as you can just to and breathe and focus and relocate in the moment. Relocate your attention to the moment and just breathe. It doesn't have to be for long. It doesn't have to be for an hour. You can do it for 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 20 seconds. Maybe you can shake your body, stretch a little bit. Come back to the moment. Come back to your body. Your body is existing right here in the present moment. Your mind is not. Your mind transcends time and space. It's doing its own unique thing right there, right now. You can look back in the past right now. You can look into the future. Your mind's on a different, it's not of the now. What's of the now is the body. So bring your attention back to your body. Breathe and observe your body. Observe the sensation of your environment, and you will be relocated back to this time and space called the now. Much love.